Artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than any technology we've seen before. Every week, a new AI model seems to appear, promising to write better, code faster, search smarter, or solve more complex problems. But with names like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, Mistral, and Perplexity, it's easy to get confused. Are they all the same? Which one is actually the best? And why are so many companies racing to build their own AI? In the next 5 minutes, we'll explain the world's most popular AI models in simple English, what makes each one unique, and when you should use them. Let's get started. First is ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. This is the AI that introduced millions of people to conversational artificial intelligence. ChatGPT is designed to understand natural language and generate human-like responses. People use it to write emails, summarize documents, generate ideas, explain difficult concepts, write code, solve math problems, and even create images with newer versions. It's one of the most versatile AI assistants available today because it performs well across a wide range of tasks instead of focusing on just one specialty. Next is Claude, created by Anthropic. Claude is known for producing thoughtful, detailed, and well-structured answers. It's particularly strong when working with long documents, research papers, contracts, reports, or books because it can process large amounts of text while maintaining context. Many businesses and professionals prefer Claude for writing, analysis, and document review since it tends to produce careful and balanced responses. Now, let's talk about Gemini, developed by Google. Gemini is deeply connected to Google's ecosystem. It can work across text, images, audio, and even video, making it a multimodal AI model. Because of its integration with services like Search, Gmail, Docs, and other Google products, Gemini is especially useful for productivity and everyday tasks. It combines Google's enormous knowledge base with modern AI capabilities to help users work more efficiently. Another AI receiving a lot of attention is Grok, developed by xAI. Grok is designed with a more conversational and humorous personality than many other AI assistants. One of its biggest strengths is its ability to access recent information when connected to live online data, making it useful for discussing current events, trending topics, and real-time conversations. Its goal is not only to answer questions, but also to make interactions feel more natural and engaging. Next comes DeepSeek, a rapidly growing AI model developed by DeepSeek. It gained popularity because of its strong performance in programming, mathematics, logical reasoning, and technical problem-solving. Developers often use it for coding assistance, debugging, explaining algorithms, and solving complex technical challenges. Its efficient design has also attracted attention for delivering strong performance while using fewer computing resources than many earlier models. Another important name is Mistral, developed by Mistral AI. Instead of focusing only on large cloud-based AI systems, Mistral is known for creating powerful and efficient open-weight models. Many developers choose Mistral because its models can often run locally on personal computers or company servers, giving organizations more control over privacy, customization, and deployment. This flexibility has made Mistral popular among businesses and the open-source AI community. Now, let's look at Perplexity. Unlike traditional chatbots, Perplexity focuses on AI-powered search. Instead of simply generating answers, it searches for information, summarizes reliable sources, and often provides citations so users can verify where the information came from. This makes it particularly useful for research, learning, fact-checking, and exploring unfamiliar topics where source transparency matters. Finally, let's discuss open-source AI models. Unlike proprietary models controlled by a single company, open-source models allow developers and researchers to inspect, modify, and build upon the underlying technology. Popular open-source models are used to create custom AI assistants, business applications, educational tools, healthcare systems, and research projects. Because anyone can improve or adapt them, open-source AI is helping accelerate innovation across the entire industry. So, which AI model is the best? The answer depends entirely on what you're trying to accomplish. If you want a versatile AI assistant for everyday tasks, writing, coding, and creative work, ChatGPT is a strong choice. If you're working with long reports or detailed analysis, Claude excels. If you're deeply invested in Google's ecosystem, Gemini offers seamless integration. For real-time conversations and current topics, Grok stands out. Developers solving programming and math problems often appreciate DeepSeek. Businesses seeking flexible deployment may prefer Mistral. Researchers frequently choose Perplexity for source-backed answers, while developers building custom AI systems often rely on open-source models. The exciting part is that we're still in the early days of artificial intelligence. Every year, these models become faster, smarter, more capable, and more accessible. They're already transforming education, healthcare, software development, business, design, scientific research, and countless other industries. Understanding how each AI model works today will help you make better decisions as AI becomes an increasingly important part of everyday life. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple technology explainers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.